There's a delicious irony associated with muscle-bound SUVs, and this 2019 Mercedes-AMG GLC 63S is particularly tasty. Now, AMG is pretty good at cramming great big engines into unsuspecting vehicles, so cast your eyes at this rolling dichotomy. This car usually has a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo engine, but the AMG version runs with a 4-liter twin-turbo V8 that makes 503 horsepower and 516 foot-pounds of torque. The GLC 63S's 4-matic all-wheel drive, 9-speed auto, and electronically controlled limited-slip rear differential come from the E63S Uber sedan. So yes, this small SUV is armed to the teeth. Keeping body motions in check are air springs and adaptive dampers. And while the ride is pretty firm at times, it never crosses over to uncomfortable or jarring. For 2019, this gets the toothy AMG Pan America grille, and here it manages to look pretty menacing yet still sophisticated, which is in keeping with the rest of the GLC 63's disposition. The big 20-inch rollers fill the wheel wells and the car crouches on the tarmac with ominous purpose. The cabin gets supportive AMG sport seats, and this one is upgraded with a $1,500 carbon fiber trim package. The interior of this SUV is beautifully crafted with fine materials and really nice tolerances. It does not have the brand new M-Bux interface of the newer Mercedes, but it still carries the old command system with the rotary controllers, which I find quite nice. All indications suggest this SUV might be a hairy beast intent on harming all who dare to venture within. On the contrary, when driven with civility, it comes across as an impressively sorted, perfectly civilized crossover that handles really well and possesses a nice reserve of power. However, select Sport Mode Plus and flex the right foot a bit, and the 63's Mr. Hyde side leaps to the foreground. The suspension firms up, throttle sharpens, and the transmission mapping gets all in your face. The rear bias of the 4-matic system lets itself known too. This AMG 4-liter twin-turbo V8 is a masterpiece. Known as Hot V configuration, the turbos nestle within the V of the engine where normally the intake hardware would be. Turbo lag, a non-issue, and power is delivered in a linear rush right up to its red line. It sounds the business too, barking out a symphonic howl, crackles and pops that'll send nearby rodents into early hibernation. About the only complaint I have with this car is there's an occasional low-speed jerkiness from the 9-speed wet clutch transmission, which is sort of a subtle indication that this dog wants off its leash. Yes, the 2019 Mercedes-AMG GLC 63S is completely nuts, but what a guilty pleasure. It has all the utility of the regular GLC, yet it will zap you to 100 kilometers an hour in under 4 seconds. Does anybody need this? Heck no. But I think it's wonderful that Mercedes-AMG actually make this vehicle. Price? Well, it starts at $90,500, but as is the case with most of these kind of vehicles, this one has almost $20,000 in upgrades. So for those who want it and those that can afford it, it will be worth every penny. For Driving.ca, I'm Peter Blakeney.